Hello dear ma'am and my dear friends. Today I am going to tell you how to prepare 2 cup tea. Firstly, take 1 cup of water, pour into a pan. Turn on the gas and let it boil for 1 minute.
Add some tea leaves and 1 spoon sugar. Let it boil for a minute. Add 1 cup of milk. Let it boil for a minute. Stop. And your tea is ready. Sieve it into a cup and serve it. Thank you.
Hello friends. Hello dear men and dear friends. Firstly take 1 cup of water. Pour it into a pan. Turn on the gas and let the boil for 1 minute.
Then add some tea leaves and sugar. Boil for 1 minute. And add 1 cup milk.
And friends, today I am going to how to prepare 2 cup tea. Firstly, take 1 cup of the water. Pour it into a pan. Turn on the gas and let it boil for 1 minute. Then add some tea leaves and sugar. Let it boil for a minute. And add 1 cup milk to the boiling water. Let it boil for a minute. This is for you.
Hello dear ma'am and my dear friends. Today I am going to tell you how to prepare 2 cup tea. Firstly take 1 cup of water. Pour it into a pan. Turn on the gas and add some tea leaves and 2 spoons sugar. And let it boil for 1 minute. And add 1 cup of milk to the boiling water. Let it boil for a minute. Your tea
बोलते रोक देनी है